Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, high-protein, super creamy, super healthy, super easy hazelnut chocolate spread 3.0 made with roasted chickpeas and roasted hazelnuts. This takes my game-changing chocolate spread recipe to the next level. It's so good and so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of chickpeas. Drain. Rinse. And throw them onto a baking sheet. Along with half a cup of hazelnuts. Roast them in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Next, throw them into a powerful blender. Along with a dozen dates. Half a cup of cocoa powder. And 1.5 cups of hot water. Blend it until it's super smooth. Now enjoy a super tasty and super healthy chocolate spread. Thanks for watching.